me see. Do y'all see the curls? Can I get into the curls? What? What? Real quick, y'all, I just came on here to show y'all the results of my twist out. If you watched my last video about breastfeeding, you know I was twisting my hair. So I will insert some of the clips of me twisting my hair. As far as these twists goes, I am using Yaya's Creations Chebe butter. And I'm also using the oil that comes along with it. So that's just that. I'm just using it as a twisting cream. And I'm putting the oil on my scalp in sections. So this Chebe butter and this Chebe oil is absolutely amazing. My hair is bouncy, it's light, fluffy, it smells good, it's super, super defined. I just can't show you enough. Like, this is it. 10 out of 10, recommend. Okay, like, I love it. I don't even know what else to say. Like, get it. The link will be in the description box because this is amazing. Like, I haven't even put anything in my hair. All I did was put the oil in my hand, ran it over my twist, and then I put the oil on my fingertips as I separated the curls. And y'all, this is it. Like, let me know what you think about this twist out, because to me, girl, to me, it's popping to me. I'm running it back with the Chebe. Look at this. This is how your curls are when you have like a rod set. Do y'all see this bounce? Biggity, biggity, big. Y'all, do y'all see this? It's lit. I have not done nothing to it. Like, I just took it down. All I did was unravel it and separate the curls in half. That's it. Like, that's it, that's all. It made it so easy. My hair is still moisturized. The oil just gave it an extra pop. Y'all, this is the truth. Go and support Yaya Creations. I don't even know who Yaya is, but girl, this is the stuff. Yaya, I need you to watch this, okay? Y'all, okay. This is the butter. It is literally like, it melts in your hand. I don't even know, like, this smells so good. First of all, it smells like, it's super sweet. It smells so good. It's strong, but it's a sweet strong. And the oil is a little more calm in scent or in the smell. But y'all, it smells so good. I dripped some oil in there, but it's literally a butter. And it's so soft. It's so, I don't know. Like, it's literally like a butter. And it literally like starts melting and turning into an oil. It's so moisturizing, literally, that it starts to melt in your hand. It smells delightful. My hair feels good. My hair smells good. I love these products. I definitely would recommend. And that's all I have to say. I don't even know what else to say, y'all. Like, I'm just letting the curls say it for me. So, I'm out again. So, these are the products I used today. She has a cream as well that I plan to try. And here are my curls out in the sun. They are super fluffy, soft, defined, moisturized. They smell good. And I can tell you that my hair feels just as good as it looks in this clip. If you like this video, give me a like, a comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next video.